Hey, it's Jake with Terray Woodcraft Designs, and today we're going to learn how to stain a headboard. We've already got it built. Let's see if we can get a good angle there. We got it built, now we just need to put a finish coat on it and let it cure. So before we start staining, you always want to make sure you got plenty of smooth surface. All the joints are smoothed out and obviously ready for a finished coat that, you know, once cured can be taken inside and mounted to your bed frame. So I've already sanded it down, everything's smooth and ready to go. Next step here is just to get the dark walnut stain out and finish it up. Alright, so on this particular headboard, we're going to be finishing it with some Minwax Dark Walnut. It's a fairly easy spread. Just be using a 2-inch brush as well as a rag to wipe away the excess. So typically just like to start in the corner here and work your way across. It's important with this particular design to get down into the crevices as you want the same finish throughout the headboard. That way there's no leftover spots or spots that are missing any kind of color. With having this high contrast, the dark stain, it'll definitely be easy to tell if you miss a spot compared to if you were staining with like a lighter shade such as special walnut or colors like that. Just a nice thick application and then wipe the excess away. We'll work our way across the headboard here. All right, well, the headboard has been stained and it's currently sitting outside in the heat curing. So when the weather allows, I typically like to bring the headboards outside and let the heat or the wind cure them. Typically they dry up a lot quicker and end up with a nice finish. So and that right there, that's just a shadow. So turned out pretty nice. We'll let this cure overnight and it'll be ready to go. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below and I'll ask them, or All right, well, we got the headboard all stained and have it outside curing now. So typically if the weather's good, I'll pull it outside, let the heat and the wind cure it and dry it off. And all right, well, we got the headboard stained. We got it parked outside to let the heat on this summer day cure it. And you know, typically I pull them outside and let them dry out in the sun or in the shade with the breeze, because it definitely cures faster than inside the shop. So this was the color the customer wanted, and we'll let it cure overnight and double check in the morning, make sure we didn't miss anything. But from what I can tell, looks pretty done. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll see what I can answer and help you out the best way I can. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe. Have a great day.